National Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Albany County and east central New York, north central Columbia County and east central New York, southwestern Rensselaer County and east central New York until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:26 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Voorheesville, or 8 miles west of Del Mar, and moving east at 15 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Voorheesville by 2:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Farabush by 2:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Del Mar by 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Selkirk and Ravenna by 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Castleton-on-Hudson by 3:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, East Greenbush by 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Please report hail size, damaging winds and reports of trees down to the National Weather Service by email at alb.stormreport@noaa.gov or on Facebook at www.facebook.com/US nationalweatherservice.albany.gov. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in New York, Albany, Columbia, and Rensselaer. The National Weather Service